doing today? Welcome to another episode of Trailer Class. And today is a very special episode because it's an ice day, and we're going to take advantage of it by cleaning out the car. Right this way. This is where we start right here. I'm open up the door and, oh, we got a critter in there. Hi, Black Max. He must have got in there. Well, he also left something right here. He left his litter box. That's gross. Let's see what else we can find in here. We're going to want a trash bucket right here to put all the trash in. And there's a space right next to it to put everything that's not quite trash. So let's see what we got in our front seat right over here. All kinds of stuff. I'll just get crawling down in here. Let's see. Well, you always want to start from the top. We got a notebook. We got coffee. We got a old hamburger. I don't know how long that's been in there, but that's been in there for a while. Some sunglasses. Papers. Insurance receipt. More stuff. Ooh, I found a bandana. And some paper towels. We're going to save these. We'll want those later. Breadcrumbs. A Delta Quest bill to the head of the household. I don't know who that is. Ooh, a pocket knife. That's pretty cool. More junk mail. Ooh, mouthwash. This is important in case you get like a, pulled over at the last minute. Old cigarettes, beer cans, a moldy loaf of bread. What type of trash do you find in your car? I find this. Oh, uh-oh. Someone's been up to no good. We found a bong. Whoops. We got grapes. Oh, these are gross and slimy grapes. Tin foil, more trash. Whoa. Check out how old the cell phone is. Look at that. It's a flipper. It still works. Look at that. Who uses that? I don't know, but I'm keeping it. And let's see. You got this. Anybody want to eat pizza? It's been warming up on the dashboard for like a week now. And some zip packs, a bouncy ball, more cigarette packs. Oh, I've been looking for this. The brush for the mane. Isn't that cool? Hells yeah, I've been wanting that. And, ooh, coffee pot. What's inside this? Yeah, coffee. Old coffee. And a water bottle. Cigarette butts, more stuff, trash. Alright, we're almost ready for the broom on this one, or the shop vac, because we'll be sucking stuff up. But let's see what else we can find in the back. First thing that catches my attention back here is the parking cone. It looks like somebody was up to some mischief. I wonder how they got that. This familiar guy. I think I stole this out of my own front lawn. I don't remember. I wonder if the spray paint had anything to do with it. Let's see what else we got in here. Bags. We don't have a back ashtray, so we got that. It's kind of like an anti-smoking ad, isn't it? More bags of stuff. Ooh, authentic playing cards. Look at that. From the Stratosphere. I'm like a gambler. This guy should look familiar. I don't know why that's here. Oh, fucking gross. Look. That's a fucking banana. I thought Dave took these. These are the nunchucks. More trash. More trash. Hey, Game Boy. There's all kinds of stuff back here. That's the best part about cleaning out the car. Let's see what else we got going on here. We got the Festivus pole, it looks like. Somebody found that. More stuff. Ooh, a jar of mystery stuff. I don't know what that is, but it's warm to the touch, and you can smell it outside the jar. Let's not do that. Let's see what else we got going. More trash. A pair of men's underwear. That's never any good. Hot Wings, water bottles, old movies, God, look at that. That's a classic, isn't it? Yeah, if you like bad movies. Got more trash. Got a lint roller, some baggies, a sock. Hey, I know this sock. It's a cheap sock. It's one of mine. Still don't know whose underwear that was, though. What's been going on back here? A fucking towel, a bag, a jacket, a pillow. Somebody's been sleeping back here. A plate, another jacket, DVDs. Who uses DVDs anymore? What's that? Oh shit, that's cool. Hold on. Look what I found. Fucking check it out. That's awesome. Put this on Slayer or black metal or whatever. That's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah. Cool. Oh, it's empty. It's always cool when you find something you don't want, you know? French fries. Let's just get all this trash out of here. Trash. Plate. Does this car remind you of anybody's car? Is this the type of shit you find in your car? Yeah, I found some cleaning fluid. We'll need that later. And hey, remember Christmas? Found that. More beer cans. Some pink nail polish. The Game Boy. A plate. Pair of boots. More trash. More beer cans and a popcorn bag. The best part of doing all this is you get paid to do it. Look at all that. I found that on the floorboard. You put that in an imaginary thing and pick up this last guy. And we're ready to get the old shop vac and suck all this crap out of there. Look at that. Now before I get on to vacuuming out my car, I got all this crap there and none of it's too delicate, so we're just gonna take care of it that way. Give us some room to work with. There we go. Now we can start vacuuming. This is relatively self-explanatory. We got the hose, we got the shop vac. We're gonna press the button and make sure it gets the job done. Let's start cleaning out the inside of the car. The best part about I like cleaning out the inside of the car is that afterwards it smells really nice. Goodbye, fries. Goodbye, cigarette butts mixed with fries. Ah, look, it's the Snickers. It's all melty and dirty. Save that for later. Just spraying it up. My Fabuloso Orange Clean, wiping off the dashboard, and the yonder window, and everything, because it's all fucking dirty in here. And just give it a couple good wipes. You know, see, look at that. Ew. Look at that. This thing was sticky when I was using it. All that crap off of there. And I wipe this off. This way I can see the check engine light better. You know, it's always on. Nice clean car here. Ready for a trip, guys? Let's get the show on the road. Alright. What's that smell? Well, hey, thanks for watching, everyone. That's our show for today. Enjoy the garage door reveal. We'll catch you next time. Joke's on you, it's me again. Welcome to the Garage Mahal. Today what we're going to be talking about is the Garage Mahal itself. Everything that's been here, we got a couple compliments online, emails and comments about, what is all this shit? Well, right over here is the D&D bookshelf. We got miniatures way at the bottom, sand castles, tiles, our books. Even if you turn around over here, it looks like they had a game in progress going on here, and they stopped mid-game or just didn't bother to clean up, but who cares? More books. The feeding table right over here is pride and joy of mine. It's a bunch of Hero Quest pieces. Those are hard to come by, but those are our miniatures for our games. Up here is a piece of artistic pornography for you. Boom! Look at that. This is a cast of a woman that my parents gave me at one point in time. We painted it, put some stuff. A legendary Interval poster. More other posters of bands and things like that. If you ever want to talk to me about music or want me to cover something on the show about music, let's go for it. Same thing with the Dungeons & Dragons, because boom, there's a lot of that. And paraphernalia. Also, we're into vintage stuff. So right here, I have this awesome Sony 5-disc CD player, a dual cassette player right over here, all hooked up to a nice Fender PV PA system right over here, also very nice. Stuff about our world that we game in. Check out that poster. Any questions? I'll be happy to ask. I love to talk about it. The amplifiers. This is a custom amp right over here, as in we ripped off the foamy shit on front of it and put on these green screens so it's totally metal. And we have a nice Rode bass, some other band equipment that we can always dig out. Something I'm very proud of. My entire CD collection. Most of this is heavy metal, as in black metal, death metal, thrash, traditional, progressive, classical. I have the works. So if you want to go over and talk about some bands or whatever, excuse me, we can. I also like really crappy movies and television shows. Also on CDs and DVDs right over here. And coming over here, thank you, Lewis Stark, for the Sony flat screen right over here. I have Sega Genesis, I have Super Nintendo, and regular Nintendo that we can all hook up on here and play some video games if you're into retro gaming like I am. And this is it. And of course, our Batman style foosbox. Compliments of Metallica. So if you have any questions, you want to come over here and visit the Garage Mahal and show us something you got, please let us know. Thank you for all watching. You all have a good day. Come see us again soon.